What's up, everyone? Welcome to this episode of the Kiss Collector. In this episode, I'll be doing an unboxing. Got some great stuff from a great seller, Michael Longerbeam. You should check him out on the internet, and we're going to see what I got. Alright, everyone, here I am. It's Kissmas. Got some stuff from a great seller, as I said in the intro, Michael Longerbeam. You could check him out on Facebook. He's a reputable seller. There's a lot of great people out there selling stuff. I suggest you go out there and don't be afraid to send a PM and strike up a conversation. And we're all the Kiss Army, and everybody's out there to hopefully help each other, and you can weed out the weak yourself, but I've been very lucky to deal with some really great people, and Michael is one of them, so definitely I endorse him as a seller. Definitely check him out. But before I get started with this, my guitarist, Doug, just like the rest of my friends and family and loved ones, know what to get me. Kiss stuff. So we had the honor of going to Mr. Ken Kelly's house, and we're working on something very special, and it will be announced very soon. And Doug plays guitar in my band. We're called Day of Doom, which I suggest if you're into metal or just curious, you can check us out. You can check us out on Facebook. We would greatly appreciate it. But nonetheless, he knows me very well, and he hooked me up with this great new comic by Dynamite. It's #1, Kiss Army of Darkness. Can't wait to dive into this one. The artwork is great. I love how they whited out the guy's eyes, give him a little more of a evil look to them. I always like that, you know. That's just a personal preference. And he also got me a Polar Lights Ace Frehley Destroyer model kit. Very cool. So I want to say thank you to my brother Doug Randazzo. And also, if you're into horror comics, you should always think about going to check out Doug's comic, Insane Tales from the Dead. It's insanetalesfromthedead.com. He has a Facebook page. He has a Facebook group. Really great stuff for you horror fans out there. A lot of great artwork. Really, really cool stories. He's working on a new issue that should be out in the future as well. I mean, definitely check it out. It'll be something you'll be into. But how about we get into this unboxing? We're going to start with the smaller one. Okay. Trusty knife, not a pair of scissors. Okay. Now I want to tell you too, turnaround with this was real quick. Michael doesn't play around. He doesn't. So if that's something you think about too, if you had an experience with people, everything was really on point. And he's like I said before, I know I've said it a few times, you know, we had a chance to talk. Really great guy, personable guy, and you know, he's just one of the Kiss Army as well. Right? Wow, this was packaged very well. Ah, right off the bat. There we go. Real cool. And it's fitted. Nice. Kiss logo in the back. I'm sorry about this right here. Let me see if I can turn this around. There we go. Kiss logo in the back. Kiss logo in the front. Has the Empire State Building design on there. Very cool. Gonna put that right here for everybody to see. Alright. Now these are wrapped in bubble wrap. Very cool. Very professionally done. I've gotten some really, let's say, shady wrapping jobs, but I haven't had an issue. But very cool. Let's just pop this over here so we open one at a time. All right. Very cool. All right. Taped really well. Gotta appreciate that. All right. Now, some people may complain and say, "Oh, I just want to open it up and I just want to get to it already." But you know, me, I prefer somebody take the time and do it correctly and make sure your stuff is secure. I mean, I'm very lucky too that we've known our postman for a long time, and he knows. I guess he's got to know by now I collect. So he takes the time and he takes the effort, and he really does ensure that my packages come on point. Really great guy. Thank you, Paul. All right. What we have here, show you guys first. It's a little sunk in there, but with time things happen. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. He let me know about some of this. The Kiss Creatures 12-inch Demon. Very cool. Show you the whole box. That's the side. That's the back. The other side. Very cool. Take a scope myself with you guys. Alright. And you see something like this, some people would complain. That's an easy fix. If I may not even keep it in the box because it's just so great looking. Alright. We're going to move on to the next one. Alright. If you don't mind, we're just going to dump this box over here. Let's see if we hear a bang. Oh, there we go. That's okay. We all know the feeling when stuff shows up. It's not necessarily just Kiss. When it's something that you collect, very cool. All right. Oh, nice. Got some pyrotechnics as I'm opening this. All right. This one is really cool. We got here is 12-inch Kiss Alive. Gene Simmons. Really cool. Alright. That was the front. Take a look at the side. Really cool. I like the cutout design. That's really cool. Really, really cool. And then you have the back. Some advertisements and talking about some of the detail. Really cool. Some people were hit and miss, they say, with the McFarlane. There's the other side. Really cool. Take a look at this bad boy together. You can tell somebody kept it in here. It's a little dusty. That's okay though. It's all intact. Nothing a little cleaner can't fix. Beautiful. Kiss Alive 12-inch jeans. Alright, now I have a couple of bigger boxes here. This one I think I'm going to leave down here. All of this is wrapped amazingly. Thank you very much, Michael. All right. Wow, this is heavy. All right. My girlfriend is going to be very happy in a few moments. Okay. Again, I apologize for a bit of silence there. I still want to concentrate. I'm using a very sharp knife to make sure I don't score anything and make a mark into anything. You gotta always be careful with your stuff. This in particular has a wire. So, go. Kiss lamp. That's very cool. Leave it wrapped up. And this is the gotta get light bulbs. Pick out cool ones. And we got Kiss lampshade. Goes like that. So you get a look at it. Very cool. Very cool. When you're running out of space, that's a good indication you have a lot of kiss shit. And that's not a bad thing. Oh, this one is very cool. Now, you know, I do take the time and I research, and when somebody's making an offer or they ask you, you know, you look into it, you know, there's nothing wrong with being wise with your money, you know, and when you looked into it, you know, Mike is hard to beat, you know. There's some other great guys out there. Mike is really on point, without a doubt. So that's something you're curious about. And you know what? Very, as I said earlier, very easy to talk to. So yeah, don't be afraid to send him a message. You know, he'll be more than willing to talk to you and, you know, see where you're at. You know. All right. We got the Kiss axe base table lamp. I'll probably do another video with these out of the box if I take them out, but for now we're going to keep them in there so we can keep the video moving along. Very cool. I'll put that there. Gotta move this box. We got ourselves a little bit of a mess, but that's awesome. Alright, this is a heavy guy. This one has some packing peanuts in here as well. Very cool. Alright. This one here. Like I said. Ah, good pick right off the bat. My favorite member of the group. Mr. Peter Chris, Jack in the Box. Very, very cool. As you can see right there. That's the side. That's the back. That's that side. Very cool. Needs new batteries. Need a some kind of monotone. Very cool. Right. Dive right into these. All right. Got another Destroyer Jack in the Box. This one is Paul Stanley. Pretty much the same on all the sides. Back. Shows you how Paul comes out. Very, very cool. Michael did inform me ahead of time because he purchased a very large collection, I believe, for sale. That's what a good Kiss collector and seller does. So, let's see what we got here. He informed me that the Ace was going to be sent in another shipment. So we're going to have some more stuff coming from Mike. And wow. Wow, I'm sorry, I have to take a good look at this myself. This gene is on point. Looks great. Wish they would have taken this mold and made a really good statue of him. Same thing. I'm sure this one plays God of Thunder. It does. All right. Wow, this is pretty heavy. Doing it sitting down. Right. Got here. It's the Love Gun Mister. That is awesome. That is really, really cool looking. Gonna do a review of this. The box is, that's on the back. And that's on both sides. And the top just says Kiss. Yeah. Real good Kiss Day today. Again, I want to say thank you to Mr. Michael Longbean, and you can check him out and hit him up, see what he's got available. You will not be disappointed. So, all right, Kiss collectors and Kiss fans out there, I just want to say thank you again for checking out the Kiss Collector. It means a lot, and hopefully we'll have another video real shortly, and it'll be Kissmas all over again. Talk to you soon.